Nambar gajing nang kiu gajing pang COVID-19 kabla wan biang sa shisin chaka jala Meghalaya ka sarkar jala ka review meeting kabla long ka khatsau tarik uyayong kala shim katu ka nitali ki rai na ka benda banyada na gajing sapriang jong ka ne ka klam uba preston tinsang menteri rangba banrap ka sarkar jala habe krem begla pathai khubor hadi malawai ka ne ka jalang ulong ka sarkar kan pentre kam biang ki community COVID-19 management committee bar ki behavioral change management committee ki brathaw ka snem baladam kini ki committee ki kintup ki clean ong sanchar shunong bar ki board district.
The government has decided to reactivate those committees headed by different deputy commissioners, different BDOs, up to the locality level or up to the village level. We have decided that committee is immediately reactivated. Reactivated because now almost a year the fighting that the government has jointly with the community, with the local authority was so successful. Therefore now we have decided to reactivate these committees in different levels, how to jointly fight against the COVID-19.
Kasarkar jala klarai ru bat bathai katnar ka koi ka khia ban pen boni ki jaka ban eye injection ke ban yada na kani ka jingpang.
We also instructed health department to go for vaccination drive aggressively. The age of 45 years and above. This notification came out from the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. They have already instructed all the respective state government to focus now the age group of 45 and above, that each and every individual citizen should get themselves vaccinated. So right now we have about 250 vaccination centers throughout the state, but this time we have already directed health department to increase the vaccination centers wherever necessary.
Hagbei dei ba kajing khangdam uba preston ulong bayamenta ong pat dan kam me kajing khangdam hendoi dan kam pat iki kendon ki perking bat ba ki pait ba ken board bat pikir na ka benta ban yada na kajing sapriang kani ka klam.
Of imposing lockdown does not arise, but the question of restrictions that will be taken care of by the government. But the trend is alarming, keep increasing every day. So therefore, my humble request to every concerned citizens of the state, please take care of yourself. Behavioral change, I think we are used to it already. We understand ourselves how to take care of ourselves. More than a year now we have been fighting. I think I don't have to go back to 0 point. But now what I would like to remind to each and every one of us here is, take care of yourself. Make sure that behavior we insisted last year should continue again this time.
Ulong ru babaro ki bre ki bawan na barjala ken haban le ka RT-PCR test haki entry point lani ki jaka bandrung shaka jala Meghalaya.
Baro ki bawan na bar jo North Eastern states ki hak ban yat lengba ya ka RT-PCR test. Nginem sha ladangim yo ya ka RT-PCR report. Kata kade ka bingla apa ya ka notification bat ngila ai shaki concern baro ka district administration ba haki tu ki entry point kin pentikna ba uno lane kanu ki ba wan syapo ka jela ka jongi syaba nabar jong ka North Eastern state ba ki hap ban pa ya ka RT-PCR test joki but hapo ka arsau benta kin sayo ya ka report ka joki but habakila pemta andal asim ya ka sample kat bakidang up ya ka report kin lek chalayeng la jong kin isolate ya la di hadu bandayo ya report